Good morning, children. This is Kandharao, English faculty of Navodaya High Schools. Children, you completed 7th standard, then you are in 8th standard. So it is totally different from 7th standard to 8th standard. So in English subjects, you know 6 units, like 7th class also 6 units. So the first unit first unit here is explaining. Before that, every student keep your textbook and along with the rough notes, pencil, eraser and sharpener. Any difficult word, I will explain each and every difficult word for you. So you should note down, please. So that at the same time, you stick on completion of the class. Don't go meanwhile this way or that way. Don't look this or that. You should be concentrated here only. Keep your all these things. Okay, children. Open all of you page number. Your second page and third page. First, I am going to give introduction. So, unit 1. Theme of the unit is here is children, family. First title, the tattered blanket. The tattered means here is broken. Broken means adjective. The parts of speech is adjective. Next, blanket, as you know, it is a sheet over the, that is completely over the cot or bed, sheet or cover. So before that, the theme of the unit is here family. Now look at children. This is here is family means two types of families, nucleus and joint families. Now look at children. This is the picture of nucleus family. Father, mother, and here is children, boy and girl. Only 4. It is called nucleus family. Like our families, we found nucleus families at present. Now next go to joint family. Joint family means more than 4. More than 4. Here is, see this picture, children. Page number 2. This is the picture. So here grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, cousins, brothers, sisters, grandchildren, everyone is there. That is here more than, here is 4 members of the family. So here is family means relation, children. Family means relation. We find relations, love and affection, different feelings. We found families. Those things are not brought from outside world. So we feel it is everyone. Everyone is a family member. So the writer, a great importance of family. What is the relations between mother and son? Here we look at very clearly. Now children, all of you page 3, open page number 3. Now take your textbook. I am reading the first paragraph. You have to take, here is put on the line. I am explaining every line. You have to put your finger, here is on this line only, and take pencil. If any difficult word, underline and note down immediately. When he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside in his office car. So he means a particular man. He means a particular man. That I will explain. Who is he? Unexpectedly, expectedly, opposite unexpectedly. You know expected. For example, this is pandemic, but we don't expect this kind of pandemic. It is unexpectedly. It is unexpectedly. So a man came to his home unexpectedly. Countryside, children. Countryside means here is, as you know, countryside means here is village. Countryside means here village. Generally, in abroad, in foreign countries, people not called village. countryside. But in India, in our nation, we call village only, not countryside. So a man came to his village unexpectedly in his office car, and got down at the gate. His mother, who was lying in an armchair on the veranda. Now, look at this picture, children. So a man was there. He got down his car and reached the gate. So here is two women. One is here is mother. She was sitting in an armchair. She was an old woman. And another one is there. She wore white saree. He is the mother who was lying in an armchair on the veranda. Made a futile attempt to sit down. Futile means useless. That is unsuccessful. His mother is not able to rise because she was an old man. She was old man, so she was sitting in an armchair. Futile means unsuccessful. That is, she didn't get up from her armchair because she was an old woman. Next paragraph, children. Kamala, here is another. I told you here is mother. Here is who wore white saree? Kamala. There is somebody at the gate. She said, someone is in his car. Kamala, there is somebody at the gate. Kamala, someone is there. Go and sit there. Think he was at the gate. Kamala means here is Kamala. Here is mother. A man. Kamala, mother, a man. Kamala, there is somebody at the gate. She said somebody is in a car. Who said this statement? Mother. Who said this statement? Mother. In examination, comprehension passage given 1 or 2 lines, children. Asking question, who is the speaker of these lines? Mother. That is. Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow. Who is Kamala here, children? Kamala is eldest daughter of a widow. Do you know the meaning of widow? A woman who lost her husband. A woman who lost her husband. Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow, who was sitting huddled up on the tinna on the veranda. Children, huddled up means here like this. Your arms there, here like this. And your legs together, arms together. Because of cold mist weather. Cold mist weather. So, sitting huddled up. Huddled up means held arms and legs close. Here is there. That is. You know, here like this. And the tinna. Tinna means not down, children. Tinna. Tinna means sit out. Tinna means here sit out. Not down. Tinna means here sit out. Who was sit out here is who was on the veranda? Kamala. Who was Kamala? Kamala was daughter of eldest daughter of an old woman, and she was a widow. Her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel, got up reluctantly. Got up reluctantly means she does not, Kamala did not like get up immediately. Kamala was sitting also beside her mother on the veranda. That is both are, that is mother was sitting in an armchair, Kamala was sitting beside her. So this is picture, Kamala and mother. So he is the man, he is the gate. So mother asked Kamala, there is somebody at the gate, and someone is in his car. So Kamala did not run fast. She is not like to get up. That is reluctantly means, children, unwillingly. Walked slowly to the gate and screwing up her eyes. Screwing up eyes means narrowing the eyes to look more carefully. Here like this. Here like this. As you know, darkness, our eyes work very hard, very keen. We are looking into the darkness, peeping like this. This is called. ఏదైనా మనం చీకట్లో ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మనం చూడాలంటే లైట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఆబ్జెక్ట్ని చూడడానికి we use our eyes, no problem. But in darkness, so we use our eyes very very deeply. Like here, Kamala using her eyes towards the gate and to see the man who was came here. So walked slowly to the gate and screwing up her eyes, peered into the darkness. Peered means here is look concentratedly. Just here is there, who is there, just like that, because it was hard salaries, it was village, so there was no electricity. We thought that, so Kamala looked carefully and constantly towards the gate. Now children, I completed first two paragraphs of the page number 3. In this page, here is a man got down his car and reached the gate. So in his house, look at this. This is the tenement. Here is seated outside veranda. Two women see there. One is an old woman, mother, and another one is who wear white saree. This is a picture white saree. That is symbolically white saree, symbolically widow. So mother is telling Kamala, somebody is in his car and somebody is in gate. Go and look at it. So Kamala got up reluctantly. Got up reluctantly means she does not like to go and see fast. Now children, turn the page. Here is page number 4. I am going to page number 4. She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man walking in through the gate. Who? Kamala. She refers to Kamala. Kamala saw a bald, so middle-aged man. As you know, middle-aged man means here is 30 years less, walking through the gate. So as you know, here is some middle-aged man. He is bald head as you know, and fat middle-aged man. In comprehension, so how was the man? How was the man? Are describing the man? Just simply, he was fat, middle-aged man. He was fat, bald, fat, and middle-aged man. Oh, Gopi, she said in her grating voice. Here, grating means harsh. Grating means here harsh, unpleasant. Grating means here harsh, unpleasant. Grating voice. Oh, Gopi, she said in her grating voice. Why this sudden unexpected visit? Why this sudden unexpected visit? Oh, Gopi, she said in a grating voice. Why this sudden unexpected visit? So Kamala expressed, oh, this is exclamation. Oh, she is used here is exclamation. It is exclamation. Oh, Gopi, she said in her grating voice, harsh voice, unpleasant voice. As you know, villages. Voice is here is clamor. Clamor means unpleasant, rough, no mannerism. Oh, Gopi, this is symbolically. Why this sudden, unexpected? Which that is expected opposite is here unexpected. Kamala, who is it? Her mother asked loudly from the veranda. Again, Kamala's mother asked what? She asked, Kamala, who is it? Kamala, who is it? Gopi, the man said. Gopi, the man said. Who got down the car? He is Gopi. I told that is here is a man, here is Gopi. A man here is Gopi. Mother. Kamala means here is sister of Gopi. Gopi, the man said. There was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. I just dropped in on my way back. So Gopi explanation. Ma, just I attended a meeting at Thiruvananthapuram. After completion of the meeting, just I visit this house. Just how you are, that is enough. Thiruvananthapuram is a place. Thiruvananthapuram is a place. Children, note down. Here is who? Kamala. Who is it? Again, first time ask Kamala, somebody is there, and next time ask who? Kamala. Who is it? There was a note of alarm. As you know, children, here alarm. Alarm means here is fear. Alarm means here is fear. Alarm. Alarm means here is fear. Alarm means fear in Amma's voice. Who? Kamala. Who is it? There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. In Amma's voice. So here is alarm means fear. Alarm means here is fear. Why Amma is feared here? In this house, Kamala and old woman, mother and daughter, both are living. There was no man here in the house. So that they are afraid that some stranger came into the house and that is he was going to do something, anything like that. So that Amma was afraid that because she was an old woman and Kamala, her daughter, both are living in the house. So she was afraid that somebody was there and Kamala is talking to somebody who was there. She was thinking in this way. Amma, why are you so scared? Scared means here, children, fear. Scared means here is fear. Avala means fear, scared means also fear. Amma, why are you so scared? Kamala, Gopi's eldest sister. Here is Kamala is Gopi's eldest sister. Kamala is Gopi's eldest sister. Amma, why are you so scared? Kamala, Gopi's eldest sister, asked her little awkwardly. Awkward means not down, children. Awkwardly means clumsily. Clumsily. Spelling is there. Awkward. A-W-K-W-A-R-D-L-Y. Awkwardly means clumsily. Awkwardly means clumsily. That is in her expressions like that. Gopi's elder sister and her a little awkwardly, as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. Amma, ఏంటి అట్లా అంట? గోపిని చూడడం ఇది ఫస్ట్ టైమా? ఇదే ఫస్ట్ టైం అని చూడడం అట్లా అంటే గోపి నీకు తెలియదా? This is called here is awkwardly. Awkward means in a clumsily manner. Kamala expressed in a clumsily manner towards her mother at that time. Amma, it's me, Gopi, he said again. Amma, it's me, that is. Gopi bent down. Here, Amma, it's me, that is. He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks. Wrinkled means folded. W-R-I-N-K-L-E-D. Wrinkled means here is folded. Wrinkled means children, folded. Amma, he bent down and brought his face here like this, close to mother, close to mother. Her wrinkled cheeks, as you know, wrinkled cheeks means so here like folded. As you know, old women, she was an old woman. Actually, generally wrinkled, that is here is fold, that is just we found some foldings over that is skin. Here is symbolically old woman. Amma, it's me. It's Amma, it's me. Gopi told many times before his mother. But woman, here is an old woman who was Gopi's mother, is not able to recognize her own son who was Gopi. Amma, it's me. Gopi, he said again. Again, Amma, it's me. Amma, it's me. Gopi, that is Gopi, Kamala, I can't believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Gopi, immediately mother recollected his past life of Gopi. Gopi, here is has his school closed vacation? Has his school closed his vacations? తనకి క్లోజ్ చేశారు కదా వెకేషన్స్ కంప్లీట్ అవ్వలేదు హాలిడేస్ సో హ్యాస్ హిస్ స్కూల్ క్లోజ్డ్ ఫర్ వెకేషన్స్ అమ్మ ఈజ్ ఆఫెన్ గోపి కమలా ఐ కాంట్ బిలీవ్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ హిస్ స్కూల్ క్లోజ్డ్ ఫర్ హిస్ వెకేషన్ అమ్మ ఈజ్ ఆఫెన్ లైక్ దిస్ దీస్ డేస్ అమ్మ ఈజ్ ఆఫెన్ లైక్ దిస్ these days. Who said? Kamala said to Gopi. Kamala said to Gopi. That means mother is behaving like these days. She does not recognize anyone else. For example, Gopi, you are standing in front of your mother. Is she able to recognize you? She is not recognize anyone else. Gopi's sister explained. What she explained? The circumstances, the conditions of her mother, how she behaved for the past 1 year, how she was behaved in the past and at present. So Gopi, don't you know, Amma behaving like these days. But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Sharp opposite is here is blunt. Sharp opposite here is blunt. So here is blunt. But sometimes mother's memory is sharp. She is correct. She is good at, and she asked everything in a correct way. But many times she behaved like this way. She is not recognize anyone else. But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asked me, if you have sent any letter, I tell her everything is fine with you. She asked, Gopi wrote a letter to us. Mother asked me several times, Gopi wrote a letter to us. Then she asked me, if you have sent any letter, I tell her everything is fine with you. Vemala and kids. Who is Vemala? Here is the next character is there. Children, I told this lesson. Here is 4. First one is mother. Second one is Kamala, Gopi's sister. Third one is Gopi. And fourth one is here is Vemala. Vemala is wife of Gopi. Wife of Gopi. I tell her everything is with fine you. Vemala and kids. So Gopi, mother asked you and your family. I told everything is alright. Everything is fine. I told 3 times. But one thing, Gopi, you did not write a letters for a long time. But I managed. But I told lies to mother. You wrote a letter daily. That is, sorry, you wrote letters regularly. That is. Vemala and kids. What is the point of telling her that you haven't written for a year? But you didn't write a letter for a year, Gopi. Don't you know? You didn't write letters for a year. Didn't you know? But even though I am telling to be frank to mother, you wrote letters. You wrote letters. This is a very important information conveying Kamala to mother. Because if Kamala told truth, Gopi did not write any letter to us. But what happened? Mother is upset and sometimes her health was ill. Health was spoiled. So that that is here Kamala told each and everything for her mother's health sake. Children. So poor thing, what is the point of you telling her that you haven't written letter? Poor thing, I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. I would dream of making her unhappy. Okay? Now children, first session I completed. Here is fourth page, half of the paragraph. Half of the paragraph. You should here revise once after my explanation. Take your textbook and read. Note down everything is meaning is there. Okay. So again next class I will continue from page number 4 onwards of the remaining paragraph. Okay. Children, be careful and be cautious at your home. Okay. Thank you.